Hey guys, welcome back to our journey through the spiritual paradox. In our last video, we explored the delicate balance between divine pursuit and worldly existence, offering insights into how one can navigate these realms with grace and wisdom. Today, we delve deeper into uncharted territories, challenging the boundaries of conventional wisdom to uncover the six principles of embracing the spiritual paradox. Let's begin this transformative exploration. Previously, we discussed the importance of mindfulness, integration of spiritual practices, embracing challenges, finding meaning in interactions, honoring the sacred in the ordinary, and seeking balance. These steps set the foundation for a life that harmonizes spiritual and worldly pursuits. Now, we venture beyond, questioning the very assumptions that define our understanding of this balance. Our first principle is to question assumptions. It's about daring to doubt the standard narratives that dictate the separation of spiritual and material realms. By challenging these preconceived notions, we open ourselves to a broader spectrum of understanding, uncovering truths that lie hidden beneath the surface of conventional beliefs. Next, we cultivate open-mindedness. Approaching the spiritual paradox with an open heart and mind allows us to entertain ideas that may initially seem contradictory. This willingness to explore and accept diverse perspectives is key to transcending traditional boundaries and embracing a more profound wisdom. As we move forward, we seek a deeper understanding. This principle urges us to look beyond the superficial interpretations of spirituality and delve into the complexities that define our existence. True wisdom, as we discover, often resides outside the confines of established doctrine. Embracing complexity invites us to acknowledge the multifaceted nature of our journey. The interplay between our spiritual aspirations and worldly duties is not merely black and white, but a dynamic spectrum of experiences and lessons. It's in this complexity that we find the true essence of the spiritual paradox. Our fifth principle, finding unity in diversity, challenges us to see the interconnectedness in apparent contradictions. By recognizing the underlying unity in diverse experiences and beliefs, we discover harmony in the very differences that seem to divide us. Finally, embodying the paradox is about integrating these principles into our very being. It's living in alignment with our deepest spiritual values while fully engaging with the world around us. Through our actions, intentions, and presence, we become living embodiments of the spiritual paradox, transcending the divide between the divine and the material. As we wrap up our exploration of the six principles of the spiritual paradox, let's take a moment to reflect on the transformative journey we've embarked on together. These principles challenge us to transcend the confines of conventional wisdom, to embark on a journey of self-discovery, growth, and spiritual evolution. Each of these principles, exploring, questioning, cultivating open-mindedness, seeking deeper understanding, embracing complexity, finding unity in diversity, and embodying the paradox, offers a unique pathway towards spiritual enlightenment. They encourage us to expand our understanding, embrace the fullness of our existence, and live in a state of constant transformation. But remember, this is just the beginning. The spiritual paradox is an infinite well of wisdom, a pathway that extends far beyond what we've covered today. So, we invite you to join us as we continue to delve deeper into the mysteries of the spiritual paradox in our upcoming videos. Together, let's embrace the journey, let's grow, let's transform, and let's embody the paradox.